Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use Asana Goals quickly and easily. First, open your browser and log into Asana with your email and password. Once you're on the home page, click Goals in the left-hand menu. Next, click Create Goal. Start by typing a clear goal title so your team knows exactly what outcome you're aiming for. Then, assign an owner, the person responsible for achieving the goal. After that, set a time period like a quarter, half year, or custom timeline so progress can be tracked effectively. Choose privacy settings, public for everyone to see, or private for selected members only. You can also add team members by entering their names or emails and decide whether they can edit or just comment. Finally, click Save Goal. Your goal is now created in Asana. Remember to revisit the Goals section regularly to track progress and make updates. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed a goal in Asana the easy way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.